Hi, my name is Dattaraj, and I'm here to talk about a very popular topic in the industry today on generative AI. What we are seeing is as companies are adopting generative AI and more applications being developed on large language models, we see these applications following like a ladder of intelligence. We started with prompt engineering, where a large language model would use this internal memory and take the prompt as a guidance to generate an output. Then we went to RAG, retrieval augmented generation, where we saw an external context from a database or a vector database queried and used as guidance for grounding the large language model. Now we are seeing a lot of compound systems where it is not a single source, multiple source, including internet and even a code generation and code compiler and a code execution engine in some cases. So compound systems are getting very popular in the enterprise today. And a new trend that is really catching on is agents. Agents is where an LLM actually does the planning and routing of how to solve a problem. Agents don't involve like just a single call, prompt and completion. Agents typically involve multi-calls to LLMs. They involve patterns like self-reflection, where you take the output of the LLM, feed it back to the large language model and ask it to correct and reflect upon it. There are tools that can be executed by agents to get external information or to actually do an action. And finally, there is planning, where LLMs can actually be used to create a plan. And the trend that is becoming very popular is agentic workflows. Agentic workflows is the next level of evolution for these applications, where multiple agents are talking to each other, and it's almost like a role playing. You can map a real world scenario like an insurance evaluation, where there are multiple evaluations to be done. One agent is looking at images, one agent is looking at text, and all that can be mapped to agents and using a role playing scenario. Such a scenario can be executed using large language models to create some really powerful outcomes. So we see this ladder of intelligence, and now a lot of applications on agentic workflows coming up. So really excited about this, and to see what sort of new applications will emerge in the coming months and years. Thank you.